Welcome to the channel, everybody. A quick overview or installation guide on the Injora aluminum high clearance links for Trx4m high trail. They're pretty easy to put together. Put an O-ring on one side, and then I don't know if it's going to show up on the video, but there's a countersunk hole on one side and the other side is not countersunk. I put the countersunk hole facing the lettering on the links. And that's all it is. One O-ring on one side, slide it through, and then another O-ring to hold everything in place. And they're done. And if you ever do mess up, these little pick tools come in really handy. Just slide it under and you can take off the O-ring and take it out and flip it or turn it, or whichever way you need to do it. Now probably time lapse all the other ones. Have a good day. So all the O-rings are put in, everything's assembled. I probably should have called it an assembly guide. And the great thing about Injora is they always send extra stuff. Plenty of extra O-rings if one breaks. And that's it for the assembly of those. We'll do an installation video another day.